Looks like we are live. Gonna listen in to the stream. Sounds like you're able to hear me in the stream. Yeah, looks pretty good. I'm a bit way over there. Yeah, some should work. Let me get set up. I have to, I don't know, put this over there. Way too many. Close my old project folders. Close. Good. I can close all those windows. I'll create a new I hope I'm loud enough in the stream. Oh, no, that wasn't the plan. Where do I create this terminal, please? SSH into my home server. Oops. Don't I have a chat in the YouTube studio? That is weird. Okay. I'd like to have a chat. That would be pretty nice to have. If I could see. Oh, chat is disabled. Why is the chat disabled? Edit, live chat, enable, live chat is disabled. Because, why? Ah. I checked it's made for children. Okay. Good. Now the chat should be enabled. Looks good. Let's see. Ah, very nice. I now can see. Oh, maybe I should put myself a bit louder. I don't know, maybe. Looks like I'm pretty silent in the stream. Can I increase my gain? Like 4? Like that better? I'd like to pull that down. Okay. Let's listen again. Blah blah blah. I'm hearing myself currently 2 times. Now only 1 time. Ah, we have 2 concurrent viewers. Hello. Okay, sounds like my audio is finally good. I'm gonna log into my server. somewhere I need to store with that project. I'm gonna create a new folder, I guess. Completely underprepared. I'm sorry. Well, yeah. Let's see. This folder is pretty full already. Is something like a CodeWorkShop folder in here? Let's create a folder. Create all right, I got a folder now. At least I got that. Root CodeWorkshop reading history. Open that, please. So now I will rename the stream because I now know what I'm creating. Alright, so the stream's topic today is creating a book reading history web app in Vue.js. I'll be creating the web app, the Vue.js app, in a moment, and then we'll try to find some kind of API that contains all books in the world that we could then fetch some data. And the goal of this web app is to when you start reading a book, you enter that book, you mark when you started reading, you can get some more information about the book, you can set an end date when you finished reading the book, and that way you can track how many books you read per year, you can see which books you have read already, and maybe we will also implement some rating feature and review feature that you can rate your books and give a review and maybe a quick summary so that you can remember easier which books you have read and whether you like them or not. And yeah, that's pretty much the main feature set of this web app. So yes, you can see that. So I can switch to here, and this might be pretty small for you. I'm gonna check in the stream. Oh yeah, that is pretty small. Preferences. Increase the text, columns, rows, cell spacing, color, scrolling command, compatibility, global general, shortcuts, profiles. Custom format, there it is. I would like to increase the text select that, close. That should be big enough for you to read. I will create a new view app, create view, create options. Which options do we have? I would like to use view 3. View CLI, use view 3, there it is. View CLI, get started. Installation, creating a project. Is view 3 default now? Yeah, come on. Let's rename it to reading history. And cd into it and view create dot. Oh, the dot, please. Great. Generate in current directory. Yes, please. We want view 3 preview. Let's go. Can you see this? Yep, you can see that. Nice. Let's wait for this to finish. Why are there black strikes running across? Okay. Almost done. Almost done. Alright, npm run serve. Gonna open 192.168.2.1348080. Alright, that's our app. Tap that up. Let me do it that way. That looks good. Let me restart this. All right, we can remove that folder. Let me switch back to there. I need to reopen that, browsing through all my files. Alright, there we are. Here we go. Can I increase the size? Okay. Okay. Let me do it that way. Nice. Okay. I think we can start now doing some work. After only being streaming for 20 minutes. Okay. Thinking about the structure of the UI, or the components should be. I obviously didn't think about anything prior to starting the stream, so there's that. I think I'm gonna draw something here. I want to have some cards. Give me a sec. Title goes there. A star rating right there. And tap. The time we read it right there. Okay. Let's create a book preview. Book card.view. Template, yes. Okay, so I need that syntax. I don't have it in my head. View props. Yeah, view 3 please, and template syntax please. Just props. Title. We should have rating, and we should have time. Looks good to me. Oh, and maybe some ID, I think. Alright, maybe we should first of all find an API. Google Books API. 10 most popular APIs for books. Open Library Books API. ESPN, ISBN DB. Let's check. The works ISBN. We got JSON right there. Let's check my Amazon book wish list. Books. And take some that might be fun to take. It is in we want to copy the link address, and I want to insert this ISBN, and it is let's get an online JSON viewer, format that. What do we get? Publisher, table of contents, ISBN 10. That looks to be right. Full title, Jules Verne. Published in San Diego. Interesting. Title, Jules Verne. Full title, title created. Languages, subject. No description. This is sad. Oh, it's locked somehow. So what do you have for me? ISBN DB. Let me give you this ISBN. Let's search it. Yep, that's right. We got a picture, that is nice. Documentation. Get started free. Need more data, get a 7-day free trial and access the full database. This price and more. Yeah, but does it cost? I don't want to pay for this. Subscribe now. Hoi! $50 a month. Okay. Maybe no. Maybe no. Open library. Let's check this. Goodreads API, Google Books API is a repository. Digitized books from around the world can use to submit full text searches. That's not what we want. Goodreads has 10 million book reviews across 700,000 titles. The Goodreads API lets users display these reviews on their website and applications. Use a Goodreads API to get the books on a shelf, get your friends updates, link to a book by ESPN or Shopcom API, online store offering a wide range of products. Harry Potter API can enable applications to return spell routes, character routes, house routes, and sorting head routes. The popular children's book series. Okay. Opinionated quotes API. Nope. IT Bookstore API enables users to search IT Bookstore database for available books. IT Bookstore is a California-based IT programming and computer science bookseller. Marvel Comics API, Game of Thrones Quotes API, Open Library API. Internet Archive is a non-profit that offers free online library and repository with free books, music, movies, software, and website. Internet Archive's open library is an open repository of millions of books and book information. Open REST API allows developers to interact with... why are there black marks running across? I don't like this. Anyway, Open Library API looks good. It has book records, cover images, subject listings. Get me there. Endpoints, API portal. Let me see what you got for me. Though that's basically where we've been already. And request format, response format, data. Thumbnail. For URL to a thumbnail of the cover of the book, this provides only the thumbnail. Only when thumbnail is available. So maybe I've just had a bad additions. Yeah. Let's check this again. Place in the JSON format. Yes. Let's copy and format. So thumbnail, please. First sentence. And these two very old people are the father and mother of Mrs. Bucket. Revision number 12. Published date October 1st, 1988. ISBN created. Identifiers title Mr. Fantastic Fox. No, sorry, Fantastic Mr. Fox. Source records. Classification, languages. Let me see some different book. Okay, first of all, just let's create a search book .view template. Let's get a input text name v model equals book search. Search book. And how should data look? Data should be data return search book. Okay. Searching for book. Search book. Let's that won't work because element is missing end tag. Sure. Let's do this. All right. And we have, great. Let's change that to for book with ISBN. And let's add a button. Search. And syntax for our methods, please. Data properties and methods. Yes, yes, yes. All right, it's just an object. So we can add a method, search, async. Let's take full title, and that should be the right one. And search is let response equal await fetch. Yeah. And copy link address. Fetch this one right here. And concat with book ISBN. Let JSON equal await res.json, and this dot book data equals JSON. And this needs to be a this dot, and that looks good. Add click equals search. Great. No errors. Insert that and search, and let's see what kind of errors we get. Got it, that is small. Unexpected token in JSON at position 2. Let's first of all console.log res and insert search. Oh, okay, now it's working. Nice. So we got a response, the body. Let's just log the JSON when it's done. Oh, not good. Astronomy. What kind of data do we have? We have covers. Oh, we have covers. It's just a number, okay. REST API for covers. Oh, we need a key, as it looks like. Bulk access, rate limiting. The cover access rate limited. Currently only 100 requests are allowed for every 5 minutes. If any IP tries to access more, so return 100 per 5 minutes means we got 20 per minute, which means we shouldn't do more than fetch every 3 seconds, I think. Which doesn't look too bad. Copy link address. Can we get bigger, please? Do not crawl our API. If you do, you may decide here block to crawl. If you want to display covers on public facing pages, please use a source URL. The point. Courtesy. How to book covers can be accessed using cover ID, external cover ID, OLID, Open Library ID, ISBN, OCLC, LCCN, or other identifiers like Covers are available in 3 sizes: small, medium, large. The URL pattern okay, so we should be able image source should be this with an L, and let's make a computed book cover URL is empty. This is just like this. That right? So when we search, we also added the book cover URL. Book cover URL equals now I lost it. Should be here. Copy link address. Nope. No, dang it. So we got a cover. It's should be an open library ID. Copy link address. Insert right here. It should be an L. And we want the JSON.covers and simply the first, I think. Let's see. I should have views, search book. The cover URL is this. Let's see where we get. Oh, it's quite small. And this didn't work. All right. Let's try ISBN. ISBN -L. Ah, and that is working. That is quite nice. This dot book ISBN. Done. Let's try this again. Still got the ISBN? Nope. Search, and we got an image. Very nice. Great. Next up, we need some kind of database, I think, which is a small problem because I don't have and why are there some lights flickering around? That would be quite interesting. Anyway, let's keep going. I think I will just make my database like this. It's just box, array, object, ISBN, and just rating 5. I don't know. For book in this .db.books the key is book.isbn. The ISBN equals book.isbn. v rating equals book dot rating slash close. Let's see our errors. Book is defined but never used. Custom elements and error. Okay. Probably I just am too dumb. For whatever reason, I added a comma. Template requires child element. Let's recap on using props. Props. Just like this. Right? What's your problem right now? Valid template root. Oh, we don't have anything in here. Just this ISBN. Done. Great. Nothing to see here. We can remove those two. It will cry because we are importing Hello World, but are never actually using it. So right now we only have one search book. Where's our V4? V4 for arrays. Maybe we don't need this. DB books, yeah. So why don't we get anything right here? Div v4 item in a list. Reference. Set item ref. It's been a while since I last did this. Oh, book.isbn. Interesting. So now we got a book card. Huh. Like this, I think. Let's better. There we got our ISBN. So now we can go in here, move it over here. We can have our H1 with a title. We can have our image. We bind our URL and our rating. Just like this, and remove this. We can create a computed. It should look like this. And in here we have our data. Return this one, please. Book data. Empty object with our book data.title, book data.url, and our rating. So title can be removed. Yeah, for now. And a created before mounted, there it is. We want a mounted function which should async, yeah. And in there we basically just do this. This dot book data, yeah, yep. Let's shorten this. URL. Okay. And we have an missing comma. Oh, it's a 505. We got an error. Undefined.json not found. Ah, interesting. Oh, it's just like this. Astronomy. Where's our image? Where's our image? No, we want to view data. URL is this. So we got our URL, but we don't have an image. That is sad. Oops. Oh, it's just URL. And there we go. Great. Let's get a few more books. ISBN 13. App. ISBN. Comma rating. I don't know, maybe a 2. And maybe another book about JavaScript. Give me that ISBN 13. I don't know, let's see what it looks like. Nice. So that is working. Now we need to add a bit more CSS. Let's wrap a div around all of this. And say div be display inline block. We want the width to equals 20m, height equal to 30m. Okay. Image with 100%. Dip 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 da. We're taking the title. There's also the full title, right? Full title. Ouch. Just the normal title. And let's say the P is vertical align bottom. Yep. Elements. Div. Tip. Image max height. If our entire div is 30m, it shouldn't be bigger than 25m. I don't know. Let's try. Oh, it's a bit big and squishy. Squishy. That is working great. Alright, I'm a bit tired. I'm not making the progress I wanted. Well, I'm making progress, and I found this library, and we're also getting started with the website itself. But I want to do better content than this stuttering around and not getting done anything. So I will stop the stream right here, and we will see probably tomorrow evening again, same time, round about the same time, and we will see what we can get done in this time. And maybe I'll be a bit more prepared than today, which would be pretty nice, I think. So yeah, I will get some sleep, and I will see you guys tomorrow evening again. Bye bye.